Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial on how to use Scratch. So today we're gonna make a Hungry Parrot game. So, if you don't know what is a Hungry Parrot game, it's basically like a type of game where you, the parrot, asks the user to enter a number of steps in order to reach the target or its food. But we can make more instances of the Hungry Parrot game. So let's jump in. So first what we're going to do is delete this default sprite. Next, we're going to go to choose a sprite. Then we're going to choose a sprite. So first, for the sprite, we're going to choose the motorcycle. We're going to place this motorcycle right over here. Then go to costumes and delete all the instances of the motorcycle. Then head on to code. And then what we're going to do first is that we'll go to events, drag a when green flag clicked block, place it over here. Then we're going to set an initial spawn point or position. So for this one, we're going to set it to 184 y125. After we have set that up, next we're going to go to sensing. Then we're going to bring this ask block, which says, what's your name? Then what we're going to do is we're going to rename this how many steps should I take to get the milk? Because we're going to be using the milk sprite for our target. Then what we're going to do is go to control, bring a repeat loop, stick it right over here. I know you might be thinking that we can use the forever loop, but if we use the forever loop, then it would ruin the entire project. So what we're going to do first, delete the 10, then head on to operators. Bring the times operator, snap it right in there. Then we're going to go to sensing again and bring the answer multiplied by 2. Place a question mark. Then what we're going to do next is bring a move 10 steps block. Then we're going to go to control and bring a wait block. Set it to 2 seconds. Now hold on. I'm going to set it to 0.2 seconds. Because since the computer goes really fast, we should give it 2 seconds to check for the if statement. Outside, we're going to bring an if then else block. Then we're going to bring sensing, then the touching block, touching mouse pointer. But hold on a second. Before we continue this, we should add another sprite. Yep, that sprite is the target. So for the target, we're going to bring the milk. The milk will be right in front of the motorcycle. But in order to figure out the exact position of the thing, we'll just copy the coordinates of the motorcycle, which is 186, 184, and negative 126. There you go. Then we're going to choose a backdrop. We're going to set it to the blue sky. Place the milk over there. Then we're going to bring milk. But hold your horses. We have to delete the rest of the costumes here. Delete, 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 delete. Set costume to milk. Then what we're going to do, that we're going to draw something on the milk so that we will know that this is milk. So we're going to make it orange. So M I L K. There you go. Got the milk logo. Then we're almost done. So what we're going to do is go to looks and then bring say hello for 2 seconds. But before we bring that, we have to duplicate this block. Duplicate. One for the else statement. and one for the if statement. Then we're gonna delete hello and then type I got the milk. Then put a yay. Then for the else statement, you're gonna put oh no. Now that we're done with the if statement, now that we're done with the motorcycle sprite, we're going to then head on to the milk. Now you guys might be thinking, what should we put for the milk sprite? It's easy. It just needs one block. Just needs one block. We need a green flag clicked, a go to X block, head on to operators, bring the pick random block, and then set it to negative 260 to 260. That's it. We're done with the code. Now what we're going to do is test it, so that we will see if there are any errors in the project. Now we're going to test it. Click on green flag. How many steps should I take to get the milk? You can just click enter. If you rerun, now let's say 7 steps. It didn't make it, so the if statement checked if it was touching the milk sprite or not. Since it didn't touch it, that means it was false. It wasn't true. So it printed oh no as the else statement. Now if we go to 12, the motorcycle is now moving step by step towards the milk. It didn't make it, so it printed the statement instead. 3. Now let's try 6. Alright, you can put 0, but for validation, we're just going to put 1. It printed, I got the milk, yay. Because it printed this, because the if statement was checking if it touched the milk. If it touched it, it would print, I got the milk, yay. Else, oh no. It's a pretty good Parrot game, to be honest. But anyway, if you want to see any more videos like this, like and smash that subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!